Well, today in the nation's capital, former President Trump's legal team arguing that federal prosecutors are trying to infringe on his free speech. Trump's ongoing legal battle comes as his Republican rivals descend on Iowa for a political tradition unlike any other. NBC's Bree Jackson now in Washington with more.
Today, members of former President Trump's legal team and members of special counsel Jack Smith's team are in court just over a week after the former president pleaded not guilty to federal charges related to the 2020 election. Former President Trump's legal team back in court today. The federal judge overseeing the election interference case against him will hear arguments over whether to impose a protective order restricting what Trump can say publicly about the matter.
I will talk about it. I will. They're not taking away my First Amendment right.
Trump's calendar ahead of the 2024 election is filling up with a mix of court dates and political events. Supporters are keeping a close eye on all of it.
I think they're all bogus charges.
I voted for him when he lost to Biden, so I guess it kind of depends on more I hear about the other ones running with him.
With the first GOP debate less than 2 weeks away, candidates are making their way to the Iowa State Fair to make their case to voters.
Part of the debate prep is right here, Iowa State Fair, talking to real voters, real people, understanding their concerns.
That's what this is about, identifying for voters, my background, my family, my accomplishments, but most importantly, our vision for the future.
We know how to solve what ails America. That's new Republican leadership in the White House.
Republican hopefuls pitching themselves as an alternative to the frontrunner, who faces battles on both the legal and political front. And there could be even more legal drama ahead for former President Trump. A criminal indictment in connection to efforts to overturn 2020 election results in Georgia could come as soon as next week. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.